In this video, I'll guide you through how to unlink and remove Microsoft OneDrive from PracticePanther. If you've previously connected your Microsoft OneDrive account to PracticePanther but no longer need the integration, disconnecting it is a quick and straightforward process. You might be switching to a different cloud storage provider, updating the way your firm manages documents, or simply deciding that you no longer want OneDrive linked to your account. Whatever the reason, PracticePanther makes it easy to remove the connection directly from your account settings. To begin, sign into your PracticePanther account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on your profile or account name. This opens a menu containing several account options that allow you to manage different aspects of your PracticePanther account. From the menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, you'll see a navigation panel along the left side of the screen. Scroll all the way down until you find the section labeled Files and Documents. This area contains the available document storage integrations that can be connected to your PracticePanther account. Open the Files and Documents section, then locate the Microsoft OneDrive integration. If your OneDrive account is currently connected, you'll see a red disconnect button displayed beneath the OneDrive logo. This indicates that the integration is active and can be removed whenever you choose. Click the Disconnect button to begin removing the connection between PracticePanther and your Microsoft OneDrive account. The system will process your request, and after a few moments, the page will automatically refresh. Once the refresh is complete, you should see a blue confirmation message indicating that your OneDrive account has been successfully disconnected from PracticePanther. This notification confirms that the integration has been removed and that your account is no longer linked to Microsoft OneDrive. You may also notice that the OneDrive integration is no longer shown as active, making it easy to verify that the process was completed successfully. And that's all there is to it. Unlinking Microsoft OneDrive from PracticePanther only takes a few clicks and can be done whenever you no longer need the connection. Keeping your integrations up to date helps ensure your account is configured the way you want it, whether you're changing storage providers or simply adjusting your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you successfully remove your Microsoft OneDrive connection from PracticePanther.